Well, we're pleased to be rejoined by Keith Perret, who is with State Farm Insurance and located in National Hills, not far from a pretty preeminent golf course, I would say.
Yeah, they have a golf tournament there every year, I hear.
Yes.
Causes a little traffic, but if you know where Turner Piano is or Meemaw had one, we're right in between those two right there on Washington Road.
And his grass is pretty lush, similar to the folks there
we try.
at Augusta National, definitely. And Keith really is all about, no pun intended, going the extra mile for clients. And I'd love for you to share a story of a driver that had a mishap and actually crashed into your client's home.
Yeah.
How did that happen, and how did you sort of step in?
So what actually happened is it was his neighbor that lost control of his car, which proceeded to drive through his living room. And so he called us, kind of not sure what to do. And so the first thing that we did is we have partners in the industry that we work with, whether it's roofers, plumbers, mitigation companies, car dealerships, body shops, towing, lots of different people that so that when somebody needs something, I can refer somebody to them. Don't have to use who I refer, and normally I'll refer more than one. But in this case, we had a group, it was actually Southeast Restoration, that we sent out there, and they were kind enough to go ahead and get the thing closed up. Because that's the first thing you want to do if you have a tree fall on your house or you have a situation like that, is mitigate the damage so there's not more damage. So we did that. And the car that ran into the house was actually responsible for the damage. And they had enough property damage coverage through another company to be able to handle the amount that it's going to cost to fix this. The problem is the other company has been dragging their feet. They've been struggling with not having adjusters, a lot of things going on there, a lot of reasons for it. But the bottom line was that happened, I think, 17th of last month. And a week ago, nothing had been done. And so I finally got involved. The ladies brought it to me. And so what I did is I called State Farm Claims and said, hey, what can we do to help this customer? And I was able to find out that regardless of what the other company did, because we know they're going to be responsible, we know they're going to pay for it, we could go ahead and file it under State Farm and at least get the work started.
And then was your partner willing to sort of wait on the payment?
Yeah, so, what I did also was I had to contact the other insurance company, make sure we had the claim number, see what was going on there, push that forward, get a commitment, at least a verbal from them. Then I could go back to our partner and say, hey, look, I need a favor. I need your guys' help here because there is a deductible that this customer would have to come out of pocket with if he files it through his own homeowner's insurance, and we didn't want him to have to do that. So what we asked them to do was, hey, can you go ahead and start the work without that, understanding that you're going to get paid? And they were kind enough to do that. And so now at least we have the work started. The guy can start getting his home fixed. But that's the value in having an agent, somebody that's going to go to bat for you and work with not only our company but the other companies to make sure that you're getting taken care of the way you need to.